While box plank looks easy, there's actually a lot going on. And it's a good way to find your neutral back without excessive load on the spine and without extraneous movement in the body. So come to your hands and knees. Knees directly under the hips, hands directly under the shoulders. Now you think this is all that there is, but keep listening. So you're going to lift your tailbone up a tiny little bit. Don't think about sticking your butt out, but if you find your lower back is always rounded like this, then think about sticking your butt out a little bit, and that's going to fire up the muscles along your spine, especially in your low back. And engage your lower abdomen. Pull your lower abdomen in, and that's going to help your pelvis become neutral, and it's going to help your lower back become neutral. Squeeze your sides in, your front and your back, and push into the floor. You're going to wrap your triceps into your armpits to bring the insides of the elbows just slightly forward. That's going to help engage your lats as well, which are really important side stabilizers. You're going to reach your chest forward. Don't let it collapse like this. You're going to reach it forward while trying to slide your hands back. That's going to engage the core even more. And also think about sliding your hands towards each other to engage the pectorals. Slide your knees towards each other and towards your center as well. Keep your shoulder blades dropped away from the ears. Make sure they're not protracted or retracted. Find that good middle part where the shoulder blades are hugging the spine, dropping down the back. Extend your neck forward. Head and neck are in line with your spine. And here's Cody to help me out with these instructions. And make sure your head is not dropped like this or extended like this. The head and neck are an extension of your spine. Try to find all those muscular compartments and fire them up as one. And try to hold that and breathe evenly into the sides of your rib cage. On the exhale, think about squeezing the core even more. Feeling that strong neutral spine. And that's the kind of muscular engagement you will feel in every single plank.